Hello my people, in this video we will see how to stretch Amazon Prime Video ultra-wide to remove black bars. The first and the most important pass is search this in Google. We have a top solution for ultra-wide viewing and two important considerations. 1. Browser's extension. This is recommended. Zoom to file ultra-wide video. Install from the Chrome Web Store. It adds a button to the video player to toggle aspect ratio. This, for example, ULTRAWIDE, a highly recommended extension for these ratios monitors that allows for automatic detection and manual stretching or zooming. 2. Manual adjustment. Use the extension controls to zoom in, cropping the top or bottom, or stretch the video to fill the screen. 3. Keyboard shortcuts. In extension like ULTRAWIDE, use W to force wide zoom and E to force height zoom. We have two important considerations: image loss or distortion. Stretching or zooming will either distort the image, make it look stretched vertically, or crop the top and bottom of the picture. Alternative. If you prefer not to use extensions, some ultra-wide monitors have built-in aspect control or zoom settings in the physical menu OST that can fill the screen. And well, my people, that's all. If you like the video and especially if it helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.